In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your Trello activity and highlights in one place. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log in to Trello, so open up your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you arrive on the site, sign in to your account. You should be directed straight to your main boards page where you can see all your projects laid out. Next, we'll need to access your profile menu. Look up to the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there, which could either be an avatar or your profile picture. Click on that icon and a small menu will drop down. Now you have two options to get to your settings. You can either directly click on the settings option you see in that menu, or if you prefer, you can click on the profile icon to navigate again. I personally find it easier to go to the left side of the screen and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll want to find the Activity option. Click on that, and Trello will take you to your personal activity page. This is the golden area where you can see a chronological feed of all your actions across every board and workspace you've been working on. Now let's review your history. Simply scroll through this feed and watch as it presents everything you've done. You'll see cards you've created, moved around, comments you've added, or even checklists you've updated. It's all laid out nicely for you, just like a timeline of your Trello journey. But what if you want to dig deeper and see older actions? No problem. Just continue scrolling down to the bottom of the list. You'll find a button labeled Load More Activity. Click on that, and it will refresh and show you even more of your past activities. You can keep clicking this button as many times as you need to, allowing you to go further back into your history, covering days, weeks, or even longer stretches of activity. And that's it. You've now learned how to view all your Trello activity and highlights in one accessible place. It's a great way to keep track of everything you've accomplished and to make sure you never miss a beat in your projects. So, what are you waiting for? Jump into your Trello account, follow these steps, and start reviewing all the amazing work you've done. If you have any questions or hit any roadblocks, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more awesome tips on how to maximize your productivity using tools like Trello. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.